After a 2-hour long drive from Shrewsbury to Snowdon, I finally make it to the start of Watkin Path, which is kindly marked out with a small stone, so to be honest you really can't miss it, which is nice.
We are currently here, plan on going all the way up to here.
The waterfalls of Watkin Path really are quite the sight to see, with clear pools and amazing scenery. However, they can be extremely busy depending on the time of year. In the summer, it can get so popular you can barely find anywhere to sit, but if you arrive in the cooler time of the year, you can see the falls in all their glory. As you walk Watkin Path, you can't miss the remains of the old slate mining homes that are scattered along the trail. There really isn't much left of the buildings, but they do give a small glimpse into what it must have been like back then to live on the side of a mountain and work.
Every day you get to see something like this. To think this is in the UK. Quite remarkable, really. I've been climbing since 3:30. Someone's got a drone. Oh, I see the drone. It's over there somewhere. I'll be asked to zoom in. Fucking to do it yourself. Been going since 3:30. It's now, oh shit, 5:30. I'm red, sweaty. Yeah. So it's as much as I want to do this, I think I've chose a bad day for it. I just want to get to the top, get the tent out, sit back, relax, watch the sunset. On a good note though, I did find fresh running water, so I topped up my bottle. Downside to that is now my pack's heavier. So, yeah. Lesser of two evils and all that. But I have got to get to there. And it is a trek still. I go up that path, up there somewhere, and back across that ridge line, and then straight to the top. And then I'll be setting a tent up, because I do not plan on doing anything after this. I probably won't even put the tent up, to be fair. I'll probably just collapse in the grass, become a savage, become a nomad.
When I decided to walk Watkin Path, for some unknown reason, I did it on one of the hottest days known to man. By the end of the day, I was so exhausted because of the heat and the pack I was wearing. I don't think I've ever sweat so much in my entire life. Just keep in mind, when I started the hike, it was like 3 p.m. By the time I got to this part, it was like 7 p.m. I'd been hiking for hours. So when I saw the last part of the trail, my heart sank, as this was the part known as the 45, as it looks like a 45-degree angle to climb, and I can tell you it certainly feels like one.
Update on fucking Watkin's path. Not too far to go. Still could catch the sunset. That's where we come from. Oh my god, this is kicking the shit out of me. This is it, the last section. And then I'm at the peak. It just doesn't seem to end. I'd do it endlessly. We're almost there. True beauty at its finest. The journey was hard. That's a given. You better call an ambulance. But definitely for me. Fuck. And you can't top it.
When I finally made it to the peak, it was unbelievably busy for that time of night that it was. Plus I was so tired I actually forgot to film me at the top. All I did was take this poor attempt at a picture. Plus, that's not even my hand in the picture.
This is camp for the night. Look at this end right.
I know I've moaned for most of this video about how hot it was and how tired I was, but what you're about to see and hear is the ramblings of an utter madman. I thought to myself whilst doing this, should I put this in the video? But then I thought, yeah, why not? Let's just leave it in. It's currently 4:10 in the morning. And I am tired. But I wanted to see that sunrise. So I've started packing my stuff away. In the moment. My stuff's away. I've seen the sunrise. I've got some fucking shit with the camera. I'm out. And I'm not gonna lie, this thing is bright as fuck. Brought it off Amazon. And I think it's actually powered by the sun. It's so fucking bright. It is really cool. Look at this. Hey. Log, whatever the fuck this is. Profound question. Do you eat or drink soup? Because I don't know. Oh. The sun has attracted a moth into my humble material abode. And now it's attacking me. You don't want to be doing that, moth. I've just sat here and had a bag of fucking pistachio nuts, I'll tell you what, mate, it's good. Just move it. Soup. Nice. Was this all I got for the sunrise? Yes. Did I let myself down for that? Yes. Because I got up stupidly early for the sunrise, I didn't even film, but took 2 pictures for what was a solid choke on my behalf. As I was making my way back down the mountain, I really did enjoy the hike as much as I moaned about it, but I think it's just due to the lack of preparation on my behalf. But now with the video, you will all know what to expect. I personally think it would be a great climb if you start early in the morning and just take it easy. But because I was camping, I had a pack that was heavy, which added more of a challenge. As long as you have food and plenty of water, you'll be just fine. Thanks for watching.